Hello, I'm Nikki DeRoost, artist in residence for Bobbi Brown, and today I'm going to show you my nude makeup look. I am going to be using the Blush Nudes eyeshadow palette. It has some of my favorite eyeshadow shades in it. I am going to start with this middle shade here called Twilight. It's going to just give me a really nice base and really soft wash of color all over my eyelids. Then I'm going in with my angle shadow brush and putting it in this first color here called Antique Rose. I feel like this is a really great shade to use to kind of give your eye some definition, but it's still really, really soft. So it doesn't look like it's going to be much when you're just looking at the color, but you can see how that's giving me a really nice crease. Now I want to add a little bit more depth to my eyes, so I'm going into the shade Heather Rose. I'm just going to start this right at the base of my lashes to create a little bit more depth, but it's still a really soft kind of ombre effect. And if you want a little bit more definition without having to use an eyeliner, you can slightly dampen your brush and then just go over the top of it, and that's going to pull just a little bit more pigment. I also like to add a little bit of that darker shade right into the corners of my eye. I find this is a great way to give yourself kind of a daytime smoky look without being too heavy. Now to finish it for daytime, I'm going to add this shade here called Woodrose, and I'm going to dust this just right at the lower lash line. And I feel like that gives it some soft definition, but it's still really easy to wear. At night, if you wanted to add more, you can definitely smoke out the top and bottom with this last shade here called Chocolate Mauve. 2 coats of the Smoky Eye mascara. The eye look is done, and now it's time to choose my lip. This is the Real Nudes Lip Collection. There are 9 shades. They are incredible, and these are real nudes created by real women and tested on real women, and it basically has a shade for everybody. These are amazing because they're really buildable. It has vitamin E, C, and beeswax, so it's really moisturizing. They glide on like a dream, but they have great pigment as well. You can see even this is a pretty light shade, which really is just an extension of my natural lip color. And if I wanted to, I can always add a little bit in the center of my lips. Can't really go wrong. I hope you guys enjoyed my Real Nude makeup tutorial, and thank you so much for watching.